Srila Prabodhananda Saraswati given some direction to us, which we will try to understand the glories of Srimati Radharani. Jesya kadavi vasanam chalati lanattu dhanyati dhanya pavanena suratman yogindra durkamagatir madhusuranati tasya namastu vishabhanu bhuvodishepi. Radharani's father's house is Barsana, and from far he shown his mood of surrender and pranam. That sight, Bhuvo Dishepi, Dishepi mane, it is which direction the house of Radharani's father, that is Barsana, from far. But actually Radharani's Janma, appearance, happened in Rabal. Rabal or Raval. When we are going to Nandagaon, not Nandagaon, at Gokul. Before that in the middle, maybe, I forgot now. There is Raval. And Jamuna was that side in the time of Radharani Krishna. Vrishabhanu Raja and Nanda Maharaja, both, they leader of Gopi and group there. Vrishabhanu Raja's own administration, Nanda Maharaja's own administration. And they was very friend, close friend. And Kirti Ramai, the wife of Vrishabhanu Raja, and Mother Jashoda's wife of Nanda Maharaja. They was very close friend. And when Krishna appeared, everyone come to see Krishna. And when Radharani appeared, everyone went to see Radharani there. All the Brajavasin not living one place. They are living jungle to jungle. They are Godhan. They cows. That was their main, the property. But some settled house was there. Nanda Maharaja living in Nandagaon, and Raja Vrishabhanu living in Barsana. Dandavad. When you are going to Govardhan from Delhi, you will pass that too. City, village city actually. Say, but it is later happened. Actually, when born Radharani, there one story in the Jamuna, there Vishwanu Raja went to bathe and a lotus come to him and there was a baby girl, she is Radharani, and Vishwanu Raja have got that baby girl and taken out and given to Kirti Ramai. Actually, we are not followers, the mundane thinking. Pastimes of Radha Krishna, there are some harmony with material world. And that way we can understand Krishna born in Nanda Maharaj's house and Radharani. See, born in Vishwanu Raja's house. But Vishwanu Raja got Radharani this way in the Jamuna. But we heard some historical story. Radharani not seen anything like blind guard, not open eyes. And Krishna, when come with Mother Jashoda went to see Krishna, Radharani, and Krishna also was with him, was with her. And when Mother Jashoda taken that baby girl in lap, and Krishna very much happily shown her divine form and other unopened eyes. This story I read when I was 10 to 12 years old. Something I remember. Maybe written Chandidas. যে যখন আমার জন্ম হইল নয়ন মুদিয়া রই দিত ক্ষীরধার জননী আমার নয়ন মুদিত দেখি জননী আমার করে হাহাকার কহিল সকলে ডাকি শুনি সেই কথা জননী যশোদা বধূরে লইয়া করে আমারে দেখিতে আইল তুলতে সুতিকা মন্দির দ্বার, etc., etc., some story. But we are in Gauriya mission. follower of Srila Bhakti Saraswati Thakur, we will see other way the transcendental divine couples appearance. Krishna told in Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Janma karma chame dippang evang jo vetti tattata takchadeham punarjanmanaiti mameti sorjuna. Who understand the appearance of Lord Krishna, really who understand it, he will get transcendental knowledge by through mercy of Lord Krishna. And it is feelings with Lord's appearance revealed to the heart of devotee, and will feel it is Dibbam. Dibbam means Aprakritam. Aprakritam means what is we are seeing in this material world looking like that, but not it is material matter. It is transcendental. Material world also we do not know everything, birth and death. It is Krishna said, Je Vasangsi Jidnani Jatha Vihaya Navani Grinati Naroparani Tatha Sarirani Vihaya Jidnan Nannani Samyat Navani Dei. And here also Janma Mrityu Jara Vyadhi, one by one coming. Gradually this coming to the materialist, mundane body holder. But Krishna's appearance or his Ladini Shakti, Radha and his appearance toward the pastimes of Lord and showing Naralila, that is not material matter, it is transcendental, but aprakritam. কৃষ্ণের যতক খেলা সর্বোত্তম নরলীলা নরবতার স্বরূপ গোপবেশ বেণুকর নবকিশোর নটবর নরলীলার হয় অনুরূপ. And Rupa Goswami Prabhu, he told very clearly this, যে বৈকুণ্ঠাৎ জনিত বরা মধুপুরী তত্রাপি রাসোস. যে gradually this is the fine and highest thought and thinking and the what substantial matter. What is that? Vaikunthat janito bara madhupuri. Vaikuntha, there is everything without obstacles. By the wills of Lord, everything appearing. For pastimes of Lord. And That way we can see the appearance, Matsya Kurma Varaha Vaman, Nrsimha Ram, etc. Whence of Krishna, the Dasavatar. This Dasavatar Stotram, Jayadev Goswami when composed Pralaya Payadi Jale Girdabhanasi Veda. That time Jayadev one by one praised divine form of Lord as incarnation. But finally Jayadev told, what I told, it's all coming from Krishna. And then final one sloka he composed, Vedan uddharate jaganti bhate, bhugolam udvibrate, dattana dharayate, baling chalayate, katrakayam kurbate, olastan jayate, halam kalayate, karnamatannate, Blechan Murchayate Dasakritikiti Krishnaya Tubhanga Namo. This is the final decision and commented of Jayadev. The Krishnaya Tubhanga Namo. The Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead, and by his divine will, everything is appearing in this material world. But what is appearing? There are two things. One is Shakti and another is Shaktiman. And this is the super manifestation Krishna is Shaktiman and Radharani is Shakti. This history in Chaitanya Charitamrita, that Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami written, and that Chaitanya Charitamrita book, there you will see and read Krishna is Swarup and Radharani is Swarup. Mahaprabhu asking to Ramananda Rai. Before also, Kaviraj Goswami very cleverly given some identity. Krishna Shakti Para Bhutta Khetra Kakya Bhavara Avidya Karma Sanganya Tritiya Shakti Rishyate. Vishnu Shakti Para Prokta. Para Shakti Radharani. And that is Ahladini Shakti. Krishna ke Ahladate Naam Ahladini. Sarvaguna Khani Krishna Kanta Shiromani, etc., etc., glorification of Radharani given. Explanation. Ramananda Rai, Mahaprabhu asking and he is answering. And Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami very cleverly presented to us. He is telling, Sancharya Rama Abhidavakta Meghe Sabakti Siddhanta Chayamridani Gaurabdhirete Ramunavitednai Tajgatra Ratanalayatanga Prayad. This way, explanation given, Mahaprabhu given in inspiration to Ramananda Rai. And Ramananda Rai become full of uh, transcendental knowledge holder. And Mahaprabhu's question and Ramananda given answer. And finally, Mahaprabhu heard from Ramananda Rai gradually how much it's going to up and it is settled in a point that is Brajalila, and that come to Gauralila, Audarja, and Madhurya Lila is Brajalila, and that is the supreme gift of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur given that knowledge to us. Aradhu Bhagavan Brajesha Tanaya Tadhama Vrindavana Ramya Kachirupasana Vrajavadhu Varkinu Kalpita Srimad Bhagavatam Pramana Mamalam Prema Pumartho Maha Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Matamidam Tatradaruna Aradho Bhagavan Brajesha Tanaya. Brajesha Tanaya is Krishna himself. Nanda Maharaj is Brajesha. And other part, that is Shakti Tattva, and that Shakti is Chit Shakti, Ladini Shakti, etc. Different kind of name we can see there. Krishna ke Allah Dechati Naam Allah Dini, Sarvaguna Khani Krishna Kamta Shiromani, etc. etc. Written. Kaviraj Goswami in Chaitanya Charitamrita, you can read that part today, no problem. Actually, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, when Mahaprabhu defeated Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, that story Kaviraj Goswami given very authentically and widely given to us, and that is Madhya Lila 6th chapter. It is called Author Nidasan. Yeah. Defeated Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, and that is mainly he removed the ideal of Mayavad, and the whole world suffering from Mayavad. Kanyakumari to Himalaya and other country now. Mayavad is very inauspicious thing, and controlling Mayadevi through Mayavad, everything controlled. Lord Shiva told Mayavadam Asatshastram. असच्छास्त्रम प्रच्छन्नं बौद्धमुच्यते मयैव विहितं देवी खलु ब्राह्मणमूर्तिना। ये मायावादम असच्छास्त्र. This is not scripture, auspicious scripture. It is inauspicious thinking level, inauspicious standard of thinking. And Mahaprabhu removed that and convinced Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. Then Sarvabhauma understand the glories of Ramananda Rai. He is Vaishnava. He is not debating with Sarvabhauma, but what he is telling, that ideal thought, method, revealed in the heart of Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya after getting Mahaprabhu's mercy. Then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya told Mahavaishnava Ramananda Rai, you are going South India. You must meet with him. I often sit to him. I have done some criticize, but actually he is right. He was right, I was wrong. Now to understand that. But you will be very happy if you meet with Ramananda Rai. And when Mahaprabhu discussed with Ramananda Rai in Godavari, bank of Godavari seated, we went there, we have seen that place. Then Mahaprabhu and Ramananda Rai, very close-hearted friend. And Mahaprabhu asking Ramananda Rai and Ramananda Rai himself telling, you are giving inspiration to me and I understand everything. Then you are questioning, I am giving answer. This way. And they are Krishna Tattva and Radha Tattva. Both are explanation. Both explanation given Ramananda Rai, and Mahaprabhu was very happy. And finally, the divine play of divine couple Radha Krishna up to paramour feelings, permanent paramour feelings shown what is not written in scripture. And Mahaprabhu when questioned, if anything more you can say me, and Ramananda Rai said, no, in the scripture nothing more than this, but I compose something. If you not disturb, I can say it. Mahaprabhu said, yes, you must tell me. Then Ramananda Rai, his own composition, ये पहले राग नयन भंग भेल अनुदिन बारल अवधिन गे नासौ राम रमणी दुर्मन मन भव पेशल जानी हे रे सखी हे सब प्रेम काहिनी कह विकानु ठम बिसरल जानी नाखों जलु दुखी नाखों जलु भान दुहों को मिलन मध्य पांच बार. This way, Ramananda Rai expressed the divine pastimes of Radha Krishna in supreme drama, supreme paramour love expression, and Mahaprabhu stopped it to close his mouth by hand. It's not necessary to tell. Now you tell which way you will get that. The Radha Krishna service. This way. Radhe Vrindavanadhise Karuna Mrgavahini Kripaya Nijapadabja Darshan Majjam Padiyata. This varieties many slokas, glorification of Radharani, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami composition, Kumkuma Kanchanabja Gaurva Hari Gaurava, Majjam Atma Pada Padma Dasadastu Radhika. This Ashtam and Rupa Goswami Prabhu. He composed so much about Radha Krishna pastimes. And you know very famous song, Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Jaya Gokula Tarani Mandala Mahiti Gokula Tarani Mandala Mahiti Damodar Rati Vardhana Bese Hari Nishkuta Binda Vipinese Brisabhanu Dadhi Navasasi Lekhe Lalita Sakhi Guna Ramita Visaki Karunan Kurumai Karuna Variti Shanakusana Asana Varnita Chariti. This is super song of Rupa Goswami Prabhu. Very short, but all ideal. Inside there, what he has got in his heart that come out in his pain, writing. Radhe Jaya Jaya Madhava Dvaiti Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite. Gokula Taruni Mandala Mahite. Everyone very happy was with Radharani. All expression there. And Prabhupada Saraswati Radha Rasa Sudhanidhi is composition, and their Mahaprabhu's main divine form, Sankirtan form, everything. Yasha kadapi vasanam chalakhelanattu danyadi dhanna pavanina kriparthaman jogindra durkam agatir madhusudano tasya namastu vishabhanubhuvo dishepi. We are doing pranam to the lotus feet of Radha Krishna. But Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur told you are not qualified to do that. Where is born Radharani? Where is staying Radharani? Where is doing pastimes? you, that direction you can pay your Dandavata and surrender in that direction. Then one day you can proceed, enter into the pastimes of Radha Krishna by the grace of Rupa Manjari, etc., etc. So many things is there. Mahaprabhu wanted to establish Rupa Goswami Prabhu's position. And for that, Prabhupada Saraswati and others qualified personalities, they told to Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami not to write or any composition or anything, because Mahaprabhu's desire to establish Rupa Goswami, you do that. I think so, like this. Something I heard from Guru Maharaj. Anyhow, today is appearance day of Radharani, Sashakti Shaktiman, Tattva, Bhadanti Tattva Vidas Tattam Jajjnanam Adhyayam, Brahmeti Paramatmeti Bhagavan iti Shabdati. We are worshipper and satisfier of Lord Krishna under guidance of His divine Ladini Shakti, and what come down through Rupa Manjari and Lalita Abhishaka Chitra, Champagalatika, Tungavitta, Sindhureka, Sudevi, Rangadevi, all these are Sakhis, they are satisfying Radharani, and that is the main thing. And we have got something remnant through Rupa Goswami Prabhu come down in Guru Parampara, and mercifully Srila Guru Maharaj mentioned that in his writing when he composed about Rupa Goswami Prabhu's Prarthana Dasakam. It is published with Papaniju Namrata. Very nice publication. Ki nirupati karuna karini karini samina. That sloka, first line. Jat padabje pitu jat padabhajanamayam gayavetta tu geetam jagga jaggattavavam mama kalu sagalam dushtabuddhi ravinna sasri rupa kadaman nija padarajasa bhushitam sangadhikate. What Guru Maharaj has given, that is sufficient for us. he given Bhakti Vinoda Viroda Sakam. There everything he expressed about Bhakti Vinod Thakur. And Saraswati Thakur, Daita Dasa Dasakam, and Prabhupada, that is Sujanar Buddharaj. Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur glorification, first Sujanar Buddharaj, Pada Juga, second Bhayabhanjana Jaya Sanasana, appearance day of Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur, and third disappearance day of Saraswati Thakur, Niti Jasmine Nishant, and Bhaktivinoda Thakur, and Rupa Goswami, and Nityananda Prabhu, and finally given Guru Maharaj to Bhagavan Chaitanya Dev Mahaprabhu, Premodhava Deva Sutra. Then everything Guru Maharaj has given us, we have got that. And everything idea, transcendental ideal inside of that slokas. If we read it, we will be fully satisfied. This is main thing. Not necessary to go anywhere. Only within that book, and especially Premodhama Deva Satram for Mahaprabhu. Then we will understand who is Krishna, who is Radharani, who is the associates of Krishna and Radharani. Everything. All over the world, they are today making festival and glorification of Radha Krishna and Swarup Damodar Goswami told Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Ladini Shakti. Radha Krishna Pranaya Vikriti Ladini Shakti Rasma Ekatmana Bhapi Bhuvi Pura Deha Vedam Gatautu Chaitanya Khanga Pragata Madhuna Taddayami Chaikkamaptam Radha Bhavaduta Shuvalitam Nomi Krishna Sarupa. Bhagavan Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu appeared. Radha Bhavaduti Shuvalitam Krishna Sarupam. And we are the followers and worshippers of that divine couple under guidance of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He given us everything. We have got everything. Not extra any question for this. Srimad Bhagavatam. We not read Srimad Bhagavatam actually, full Bhagavatam. I not read full. But I know what is inside of Srimad Bhagavatam and what is the gist of Srimad Bhagavatam, what is substance in Srimad Bhagavatam by the grace of Srila Guru Maharaj. And Prabhupada Saraswati Thakur had told, if we see our Gurudev, we can see little higher level. We can see in higher level, not little, in higher level as Radharani's divine form, Gurudev. Jai Vishwasya Bhakti Srila Dev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. আপনারা যান গিয়ে এখন ওখানে সংকীর্তন আদি আছে। রাধা রানীর সব হ্যাঁ, অনেক কীর্তন তো আছে। রাধা ভজনে যদি মতি নাই রেবা, কৃষ্ণ ভজন তব অকারণে গেলা। Bhaktivinoda Thakur very clearly given that ideal to us. Jai Vishwasila Sridev Goswami Maharaj ki jai. Jai Radhashtami Tithi Bara ki jai. Mahamahotsav ki jai. All the devotees ki jai. All glory to Sri Guru and Gauranga. Say Sri Gandharva Govind Sundar Ji ki jai. Haridas Thakur ki jai. Haridam Sankirtan ki jai. Gaur Purnamdi. Jai Guru.